ladies, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex. If you're new here, I'm a cruelty-free ME who loves to play with makeup. If you've been here before, welcome back. I am actually going to play with this palette. This is a oldie but goodie for me. This is from the WetnWild, from the collab with Bretman Rock. I have not played with this in quite some time, and I thought just to play with this and just have a little fun with it, because I would actually want to play with the purples and a little bit of the reds. I want to go with a full matte look with this palette, because why not? That's what I'm planning to do, is just play with full mattes. I don't know if I'm going to do a cut crease or not, but we're just gonna go with the flow and just have fun. If you hear any background noises or any talking, I am sorry, but yeah. So we're just gonna do a little chit chat while I'm doing this makeup look. You might see a dry spot in certain areas of my eye. I do not know what happened, but I just don't know what happened. It's weird. So I'm just gonna pat this up. All the products that I've used in this video will be linked down below for you guys. But like I said, I'm so sorry if one of my eye right here, I don't think you can see it. You probably will see it. It's just patchy for some reason. Colors. So to fix that, I'm actually gonna use coconut connoisseur. I actually can say that word right. But yeah, I am right here too. I don't know why. But it's not like, it's really scaling for some reason. I'm just gonna set this. You really don't need to set this eyeshadow primer at all. So, well, this one's doing it too. Oh well. Okay. Like I said, I'm gonna play with the purples and the reds here. So I'm gonna use Flamingo, this right here. But yeah, this is not gonna give me yeah. So good news. I found out yesterday. Probably found it on Instagram. If you follow me on Instagram, you would already know. But I found that Rimmel London has become cruelty-free, and I'm like, oh, like there's some brands I'm not really picky when it comes to, like, you know, Pineapple right, whatever. It's not technically free because they sell, but they sell animal tested, so they're not animal tested. So I'm a little bit confused. But I suggest to follow like cruelty-free Kitty. I highly recommend her website. Let's just say, because don't know if he or she stays in Asian account. But I found out that Rimmel London has been cruelty-free. So if there's any products you like from, like, what's your favorite brand? Not your favorite brand. Favorite products from that brand? Let me know down below. Because I would like to try them out. I think I tried them out once when I was not doing cruelty-free, when I was just, you know, playing with whatever. And it's just weird how my eye right here. So I don't remember, but when I found that out, I was looking at Walmart the other day because I was looking at foundation. When I was looking at Walmart, because I had to get some, you know, we had to get some stuff on Monday, and my brother had a promotion at his job. Congrats. you know, congrats to my brother. Been there for 15 damn years and finally get a promotion. But I guess I'm going. So we had to go to Walmart and everything, and I was looking at foundation because I really need foundation. I was looking at Rimmel for a minute. I'm like, nope, they're not cruelty-free now. I wish I knew. Now, back then, at Monday, you know they're cruelty-free. Because I would have gotten out, I would have tried their foundation. But now I know. But still, I am going to do a haul. A fall haul from Ulta. They have a sale going on. And I'm going back to Coconut Connoisseur. It was really interesting, to tell you the truth, when I found that out. But so if there's any like products that you like, let me know down below, because I would love to try them. I'm going to use Toucan Play That Game. That red shade. It's like the reddish, the most close to a true red shade that I have in my collection. And it's just like, I'm just gonna, like, that's a good summer palette if you don't have them in the collection. But for me, I just like to use all of the products I have. I like this because these are they're easy to use. Like, you can still create, you don't have to have the products to create this look. Just have this, you know. And I really enjoy this formula from them. For this one, then their SpongeBob, and so we're just gonna make this a little bit more red. We're gonna use Prounce on them right here. This is more of a reddish orangish color. We're just gonna are y'all guys doing the fall haul that's ending this Saturday? I really like how these play so good. Like, I have not really played this in so long, so I kind of forgot. Like, I haven't really forgot that how this is. Tell the truth, but because the only shades I really played was the greens and the shimmers, and not much of the reds. I haven't played the browns or the black. I know, I'm bad. So we're gonna use a small detail brush. We're gonna feline myself. Like I said, we're gonna go, hopefully we can go to a matte look. We think I can. I do want to make this purple is really nice. I like it. Ooh, those two, that red and that purple is so pretty. Like, I feel like we can go all the way to all purple and then add the black. Yeah, I'm thinking about doing it. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add that purple to make it more dimension. This gives you another dimension, like it's so pretty. Even though I have flaking going on, but it's not gonna stop me. He's not afraid of what he names him. You know, instead of making him black, let's go with ape shit. This friend right here, literally, it's so we're just gonna add that little brown to make it more of a It's really interesting how those colors work together, which I don't mind. So this is how we're gonna do it. Now when it actually, this is gonna be a different eye look I have not really done, but matte, man, it's like I have not. Now hopefully my OCD with everything to be a certain way does not like, hey, you gotta have this way. Because when it comes to a lot of shade, it would be like this burgundy color. Even though we are using that purple shade as the main color, but I do have that blend. There we go. So I want that natural blend. Okay. We're just going to do this one. That white, but it's giving that nice, something different technique. I don't know if I like this technique or not, but you know what? Like, definitely give me a fall vibe a little bit. But what I've seen right now, it's definitely all matte, that's for sure. I'm like really packing it. Go back to this. And I'm just gonna we're definitely going to I really don't want to use black eyeliner right now because of that problem, but I am going to use mascara. Use That's really dark. Now, this will look so pretty with lashes. But right now, definitely gonna repurchase this one from e.l.f. because, yeah, it's a really good job. So I'll be right back with the finished look. I really do like this look. I love how this look came out. I love it. Speaks. I love purple, especially around this time of the season. It's fall. Get to the Vampy. Beautiful looks, and I cannot wait because this is something I'm definitely going to be doing more with the Profusion palette. I decided to give myself a break with one of the reasons because I don't know what's going on with my eye right here. Like, you could tell the difference on each of the eye because of no matter what, they're not going to be even. They're not going to be symmetrical. Sorry, I can't. Ew, I hate that word. It's a big word and I can't pronounce it really good. But I love how this came out to be how you can get these vibrant colors. Let me see. These vibrant colors and got this look. Like, you can see, oh my gosh, I love this palette. I love it. Sadly, you can't get this palette anymore, but there's so many colors out there. You can actually probably recreate this look. No problem with it. I do have a review with this. I have many looks with this, and of course, I will link them on the card. So tomorrow is Friday. I totally went blank. Our Freaky Friday with Char from Fashion Nation. She is back to being better now, so I'm just excited that she's back now and she's doing a whole lot better, so thank goodness. Yeah, and this season is gonna be fun because time to be vampy. Because Halloween's coming up. Oh my gosh, Halloween is coming. So excited. And oh, is it this Saturday that's coming? Yes, it's this Saturday. So it's time to be spooky, time to be freaky, as in, I don't know. Time to be spooky, time to be freaky. And we're gonna have some fun times because I got a lot of videos coming for this Halloween season. But I might as well shut up and let's get going. And yeah, so that's all it has up. And yeah, so congratulations, Rimmel London, to being cruelty-free. And I cannot wait to see what other brands are coming cruelty-free and everything else. So excited. Guys, if you love this, if you like this video, you want to see more looks like this, more vampy looks for the season, hit the like button. If you enjoy this kind of videos, hit the like button. Also, hit the like button if you're excited that Rimmel London is cruelty-free now. And also, don't forget hit the subscribe button so you can be part of the Makeup Addict family. We're judgment-free and judgment-free here. We don't put it with that. It's just loving with makeup, right? Don't hit the notification bell so you can be notified of any new videos I upload 2 times a week. And I go live on Fridays at 9 p.m. And of course, I hope you join us this Friday at 9 with Char from Char's Fashion Nation. And yeah, I hope you have a wonderful day or night wherever you're at. I love you and God bless. Bye.